Hi there guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I'd like to show you how you can create prefabs from selected objects. So this is useful if you've been working on a structure and you're really satisfied with the result and you want to reuse that structure and place it in different areas of the game level. So in that case you can just select all the prefabs, all the objects that make up that structure and create a prefab from them. And then you can use the prefab to place the structure anywhere you want. So let me just show you a simple example of this. I'm just going to be using a cube for demonstration purposes. I'm going to build a really simple structure here. Something like this. And I'm going to press the S key to switch to selection mode. I'm going to select all those objects. And now you see that we have here prefab creation settings. So these are all the settings that apply to prefab creation, to how the prefab gets created. So the first thing that we have here is destination category. So when the prefab is created, it's going to be assigned to a category, and this is the category that it's going to be assigned to. So you can select it from here, and in this case, I'm gonna create a new category. Let's say created prefabs. Create category. Yeah, so we have the category here. It doesn't need to be active. I'm just going to leave it active right now, but it doesn't need to be active when you create a prefab, yeah, so it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to select it right here, created prefabs. And then you have the prefab name. This is the name of the prefab assets, or of the prefab asset that gets created in the project. So I'm just going to name it demo prefab. And then you have the prefab destination folder. Yeah, so this is the folder inside the project where you would like the prefab asset to be created. In this case, I want the tutorial prefabs, created prefabs folder. And there's basically two ways of specifying this folder. You can either write it manually, like assets, tutorial prefabs, created prefabs. But of course, this can get cumbersome with longer paths, and even in this case, you know, it's not very desirable to write this manually. So another thing that you can do, you can just take the folder, drag and drop the folder here, the created prefabs folder, and drag and drop it right here. Okay, so now the path automatically appears here, and the last thing that you need to do is press the create prefab from selection button. And once I've done that, you can see that we have the prefab is created and it's assigned to the created prefabs category. This is the category that we specified here. And if we take a look inside the tutorial prefabs, created prefabs folder, we can see the prefab asset right here, demo prefab. And this is the name that we've specified right here. Okay, so now if I switch to object placement mode and activate this prefab, I can just place it anywhere I wish, like this. Okay. One thing to note is that this drag and drop functionality, yeah, so dragging and dropping a folder here on this text field is only available in version 2.0.2, which is currently available on the asset store. So make sure that you update to that version before you can use this functionality. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.